Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one before, but after today's price action, had some requests on it. And looking at the chart, there's really two levels that really stand out to me. So I just want to kind of focus on these two levels, and they'll kind of be good, just overall kind of areas to keep an eye on. That's going to help tell who's kind of winning the current price action for the remainder of the week. So the first key level that really stands out is the area of support, and that's just simply where the bleeding stopped today, which was a pretty big downwards move, and that sits right down there at 24 cents. And it's not like the price just hit it once and then bounced right back off there. The bears tried several times to push down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls definitely stepped back up and drew that line in the sand and said, all right, we're not letting the price get any further below 24 cents than what it is right there. Again, not like it went down there and just tapped it one time. Several times the bears tried, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So that definitely is that key level of support, going into the remainder of the week. The other level that really stands out is up here at the pink line, the 200 period simple moving average, and that is the area of resistance, which you can see perfectly rejected the price right there. Now this makes that much more sense because a foundational rule in charting states that when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So you go back here and look through the history of the 200 period, and we find that, oh well, acted as support. Oh, once again, acted as support. And then when the price did break down below it right there, that's where that general rule states that it should flip to acting as resistance. And as I already pointed out, that is indeed what happened there. That level is now acting as resistance. So the two primary levels going into the remainder of the week, the 200 period simple moving average and 24 cents. And that's going to do a very good job of kind of gauging kind of the sentiment of things. I mean, if the price tomorrow busts up through that pink line and then not only gets above it, but starts to stay above it, well, then that's a sign that, hey, the bulls are definitely making a valiant effort to try to get things back under control here. And then, of course, on the flip side, if the price goes down there and busts down through 24 cents, well, that just means that the bears are not only keeping control, but they're gaining that much more control. So definitely two key technical levels going into tomorrow. So we'll see how things unfold the remaining 2 days of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.